Nandito po tayo sa North Caloocan, dito sa humble home ko. At nandito po tayo at we are having 38 degrees Celsius ng weather at ito po yung isa sa pinakamainit na panahon ngayon. Hindi pa po summer actually, magsisimula pa lang ang summer at nasa middle of first quarter pa lang tayo ng year ay sobrang init na po siguro sa tindi ng global warming. May share lang po ako na transportation services na sikat or isa sa mga bago. Pwede nyo pong or option nyo po pag kayo ay magta-travel with your family, with kids, at napaka-convenient po. Pwede po pa kayong mamili kung ano po ang pwede nyong gamitin. Meron po silang motorbike pag gustong-gusto nyo pong mabilis ang inyong pag-alis or pag-travel, lalo na dun sa mga nagmamadali. Pwede nyo pong gamitin yung kanilang vehicle na motor. By the way guys, ang pangalan po nito ay Joyride. So ito po ay isa sa mga option nyo sa mga transportation services like Grab, Angkas, Move It, Lalamove, ayan. So meron din po rin silang delivery service, meron po rin silang car services, airport taxi, at yung mga 4-seater na car, 8-seater na car, so you name it, meron din sila. Kasi yung mostly ng mga tao, akala nila ang Joyride is only motorbike. Meron na rin po silang car. So ito ay isa sa mga options. Aside from that guys, dahil nga sa bagong kumpanya ito, most ng kanilang unit sa mga sasakyan na masasakyan nyo is bago at saka talagang high quality at nasa bago talaga yung kanilang unit. So isa sa hindi naman perfect, pero one of the efficient transportation services na sasuggest ko sa inyo guys. Hindi po ako sponsored, I'm just a satisfied customer. At yung i-share ko po sa inyo ngayon guys, yung ride ko mula sa Quezon City Hall papunta ng Quiapo, which is less than 15 minutes ride. Lalo na sa mga nagmamadali, isasuggest ko po na gamitin at i-try nyo po ito. And for those people who wants to have delivery services, may delivery services din po sila. At saka pwede kayong mamili, for example, if you are traveling with your family. The only problem with this is hindi pa lahat ng buong Pilipinas ay sakop ng ganitong apps. Nagpapalawak pa sila ng kanilang services. But highly recommended ko po ito. So I hope you like it and give it a thumbs like and try it as well. And download now yung Joyride.
Experience the joy, hassle-free travel and efficient deliveries with Joyride Philippines, the leading homegrown apps. Beat the traffic and reach destinations safely. Kaya guys, lalo na yung may mga taong nagmamadali palagi at feeling nyo malilate na kayo, ito yung the right app na talaga makakarating kayo sa inyong destination safely at napakabilis. By the way guys, mas mura ito ng konti kesa sa mga leading at saka mga pioneer na transportation services. Payo ko lang guys, lalo na sa mainit ngayon, magdala kayo palagi ng long sleeve if you ever na sasakay kayo sa ganitong sasakyan. At masyadong mainit, keep dehydrated lalo na sa mga driver.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This love is blossoming between us in yellow and indigo. I'll hold it dearly in my heart until it's taking over my body and soul. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. What you gonna do?
So, ang bilis namin guys. Nasa Lerma na kami. Wala pang ilang minuto. Napakabilis talaga. Siguro yung mga nasa abroad mamimiss itong lugar na ito. Lalo na yung nasa University Belt nag-aaral. Ito namimiss ko palagi lalo na pag may traffic. So, wala pang 20 minutes nandito na kami. Mabagal pa nga daw yun sabi ng aking driver sa Joyride. Eto, nandito na po tayo sa Raon. So, almost the same pa rin yung Quiapo, guys. Ganun pa rin po yung mga building. Yung iba, medyo kupas na yung mga billboard. Ayan, yung iba napalitan na. But almost the same pa rin. At medyo may widening na nangyayari kasi maganda yung pagpapatakbo ng mayor ng Manila. Ang maganda, guys, pag nasa Manila kayo, guys, police visibility. Kaya medyo nabawasan yung karahasan at mga snatcher. Nandito na tayo sa destination. Thank you very much sa aking driver. Shout out Kuya Erickson Panindig. So this is a short glimpse of Black Nazarene. God say, listen, my son, to your father's instruction and do not forsake your mother's teaching. They are a garland to grace your head and a chain to adorn your neck. Proverbs 1:8-9. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers all over the world. Have a great day. God bless you. To God be the glory.